Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Called by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
This is the moment Italy's most wanted mafia boss was arrested by police on Monday.
Police arrest vloggers Jonel Cordero and Arnold Rabi for their ill-conceived prank in Mawab, Davao de Oro province. Cordero pretended to drink gasoline from a soft drink bottle while Rabi secretly recorded the scene. Onlookers panicked at the sight of Cordero fainting and vomiting and called the town's Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office for assistance. As the first aid team rushed to the scene, Cordero broke into laughter, revealing the whole thing to be a prank for his social media vlog. He had switched the bottles with an energy drink which had the same color as the gasoline. Davao Police spokesperson Police Major Yudisan Gultiano says pranks like this diverts valuable resources away from where they are truly needed. Police say the vloggers would be charged with alarm and scandal, which carries a penalty of 30 days of imprisonment and a fine of 40,000 pesos.
This is the moment Italy's most wanted mafia boss was arrested by police on Monday.
Today, January 16th, 2023, members of the Carabinieri's Special Operations Group and members of the Special Intervention Group and the territorial commands of the Sicily region, as part of investigations coordinated by the Public Prosecutor's Office of Palermo, arrested fugitive Matteo Messina Denaro inside a health facility where he had gone to undergo clinical therapies.
It's been circling. I've been hearing it in my room.
Bro, this is so extra.
That is him. True? That is Mr. Allah. Oh my. He can't even walk. What do we do? We have something in the van. How close are we allowed to go? We can't even fucking walk. Is it?
Dramatic footage of officials arresting the female suspect in that Abu Dhabi teacher murder. It all happened quite dramatically as surveillance video caught the woman dressed in a burqa leaving the mall after allegedly attacking 47-year-old Ebolia Ryan and leaving her to bleed to death in the public bathroom. An hour after the attack, she allegedly planted a bomb outside the home of another American, this time a doctor. Luckily, the man's son found the bomb and dismantled it before it exploded. According to the United Arab Emirates Interior Minister, police were tipped off by the doctor, who started looking into the attack, both being traced to a white SUV, the license plate covered by a flag. The National, a local newspaper, reporting police eventually traced the white SUV to a house and identified it as the same one, blood even still on the steering wheel. Here you see the SWAT team raiding the house. Inside they encounter a man forcing him to the ground before they drag the woman away in handcuffs. They also reportedly found what appears to be homemade bombs and knives. Authorities say the terrorists targeted the two victims solely because of their nationality and didn't know either one.
Come down, squares! Come to us! Walk down to us, the fryer! Keep your hands where we can see them! Get your hands where we can see them! Drop that on the floor! Drop that on the floor now! Put the jumper down! Put the jumper down! Walk downstairs! I'm going to dress to the left and the side. Walk downstairs! Yeah. Stand still! Stand still! Turn round! Turn round! Walk back! Walk back! Hands behind your back. Yeah, what other people in here? At least female and one other male of them. One secure.
And we reach the end of yet another episode on Called by Police channel. We hope this is interesting content for you. Make sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button because it helps us grow. Until the next episode, stay safe and take care.